Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a tool video, but we're talking mainly about flashlights. I have a bit of a flashlight obsession or addiction, I guess you could say. I'm always trying to find another flashlight. But a couple of these have been featured on other videos and we'll briefly talk about. Out of all these, this is the most recommended one. This is a Streamlight Dualie, is what it's called. And it's called, you see I've had it for a few years now. It's called a Dualie because not only is it a regular flashlight, which is LED, it also has another light at the bottom, so you can have them both on at the same time, or either or. That way it kind of lights up the ground in front of you while you're walking. Real handy if you're like walking through the woods or something at night, or if you need to really pay attention to where you're going for mud puddles or whatever, you know. Highly recommend this. It is waterproof and runs on 3 AA batteries. Just very simple. I'm not crazy about how it comes apart like this, but you know, it is what it is. And make sure you get that good and tight to seal it. I really like it having that switch that lights up the ground in front of you. So if you got both of them, you can really look around and see what's in front of you and below you. This is also a Streamlight. This is a Streamlight Survivor. I'm not sure what model this is. I've had this for about 4 years and the prices really went up on these. A lot of firefighters will use these. You can just clip it on your shirt, and that way you'll be walking in front of you and you can see what's in front of you. Also wanted to mention about this one, it's got a real nice clip on here too to hold it on something. You can also put it on your keys or something. Very nice flashlight. They're also available in different colors. I just like that because if you got it on the ground, it's going to be easier to find it. This is never really used it that much. I just always liked it and wanted to have one. It's more of like a spotlight, as you can see. And it projects super far. And this is one thing I like about it. Both of these Streamlights are known for the simplicity. Like these don't have. This one don't have like different modes or anything. It's just strictly on or off. This one does have different modes. That's the highest, brightest setting. You got to hold the button. It switches down to the next one. Then it's got a strobe or SOS. Hold it again. I made it go off. It'll cycle through all the modes. It gives into a moonlight mode, they call it. After it goes through the flashing cycle, you can just barely see that it's on. And that's real handy for like a night light at night if you're camping or something. And you just hit it again. But any time it's on, you just hit it one time and it'll go off no matter what mode it's in. That's another thing I like about it. Very simple. One thing I don't like about it, which is not that big of a deal, is it's really hard to get the battery compartment out. I always end up having to use a screwdriver or something to pry up underneath of it, which is really annoying. But it has a battery box here, which is also annoying. I don't know why they made it like this. And to me, it's really hard to open this for some reason. But there's 4 AA batteries in there. I'm not going to open it. And you can buy extra packs like this. You can have another battery preloaded and just swap out these packs. It only goes in one way. Line up the notch right here with the notch on that side of the battery pack. Then you just put it back in, you're good to go. Now you can also do a couple other things with it. They make a little lens that changes the color of the light and the way it reflects for different scenarios. And what I discovered, nobody else talks about this that I can remember, you can take out this whole lens like this, put your cover back on. Now it works like a floodlight, as you can see. So that's kind of neat that you can do that. But this thing will really project far. I don't know exactly what the range is. If I can find it, I'll put it in right here. This is waterproof as well. Very nice flashlights. Anything Streamlight makes, top of the line products. The focus of this video is this little orange light, which we'll get to last. Briefly talk about this. This is an aftermarket brand light that works with DeWalt batteries, and this is super bright. Got 2 modes on it. A great work light. If you're outside or even if you're camping or something, and you can just swap out your batteries. You don't have to deal with AA's or anything like that. I also mentioned I am an Amazon affiliate now, so you can find links to all these in the description. So that not only does it provide an easy way for you to find these products, if you buy it through the link, it'll put a little bit of money back into the channel. So that's pretty much all we're going to say about this. The only thing I could find on Amazon from this was a 2-pack. I found this in store at the Orange Box store. Had these. It was an impulse buy. I walked by and grabbed it. It was like 10 bucks, I think. But it's also not only a flashlight, but it's also a power bank. It's rechargeable. It's see if it says how many milliamp hours it is. 3,000 milliamp hour battery. This is handy bright. There's the model number of it, 24012. And this seems kind of cheap the way it's made, but it's actually pretty sturdy, and you can also mount it on a tripod. So I can make an adapter and use this with my camcorder here to light up in front of it if I needed to. It's got different modes as well. This thing's super bright. Got 2 modes like that. Then it's got a light on the front. Then it's got the, I don't know if it looks red or not on the camera, but that's red light. So that's real nice. It's got a magnet built in, pretty strong magnet. So the main reason I'm making this video is because I've been seeing ads all over the place for this little flashlight. And this is made by OLIGHT. This is super nice. Highly recommend it. And it comes in a nice little box. And it was packaged in this. It comes with a spare cover for the back here, which we'll talk more about here in a second. Spare cover for the back. And a book if you need to read it. So I had this on my keychain. I took it off for the video just to make it simpler. It comes with this as well. A little carabiner thingy. So if you take this, there's 2 things that make this unique. Not only is it small, but when it's on your keychain, if you grab this and pull it off, that's what turns the flashlight on. So this is your actual flashlight here. This is only 40 lumens, but it's super bright. And they made it to where it projects really good. As soon as you put it back on here, it shuts it off. There is no actual switch. That's the only way you can turn it on and off. Now, this is rechargeable. You take it off and pull this little cover off. This just plugs into a USB port to charge. It takes up to an hour to charge depending on how low it is. And super nice. It's IMINI 2 is what this is called. It's available in different colors. I just happen to like the orange one, so it's different. There's a dark green one and a black one as well. And they make other flashlights and products too. Highly recommended. And I did buy this off Amazon. I caught it on sale for like $13, which is the current price when I'm making this video in the middle of February. But the regular price is like $19, so it's still not bad at all. Get you a couple of them, you know. But it's got a little charge indicator here too. We'll show you here in a second. One on each side. It plugs in red and it turns green once it's fully charged. I really like this, and like I said, this is the main reason for making this video. I just thought I'd show the other products as well. Really like this. If you need a flashlight, tired of using your phone as a light, this is a good option. I hate using my phone for a light because it's so hard to find a place to set your phone, and you have to go through, to turn it on, and it's just annoying. So, good option for that. So let's put it on charge, and I'll show you how that works. It looks unorganized, but it's actually the organized version of my charging station. It's just a power strip that I can switch on and off. The 4 plug-ins are for my DeWalt battery charger. That's the cover off that. It's a camera charger and miscellaneous USB chargers. Turn it on. You just pop it into a USB. A real little tiny light on it. You see down here at the bottom, yeah, you can see it. That light turns green once it's fully charged. Like I said, it takes about an hour for fully drained battery. I highly recommend this little light. Just so handy. You can plug it in either way on a USB. That's another thing that makes it kind of unique. And there's the green light, fully charged. So this is a little bit of the light test. The lights are off in the garage right now. I just got 2 windows in here, and it just snowed, so it's really bright outside. But this is the little mini light. Super bright. Like, I can't express how impressive it is just to being that small. And not as bright as these, obviously. These have a wider beam as well. That's the light that shines on the ground. But you can't see how that does. Very nice. And this one, like I said, is more of a spotlight. Unless you take the lens out of it, then it becomes more of a, almost reminds you of a cell phone light, where it's got that circle ring around it almost. But that's super nice as well. And this thing, real impressive, how wide it is. Even that light's got more of a bluish purple light to it. And probably never use that for now. This is the brightest of all of them, just because it's more of a work light. Very impressive. Oh, and this also glows in the dark. Kind of forgot about that. So before I end the video, I'm going to try to find the other lenses for this. I can kind of demonstrate and tell you what they're supposed to do. One of them is like an amber color, and it's supposed to help you going through smoke. That's one of the reasons a lot of firemen. That's one reason a lot of firemen will have these. They're not fireproof. They are plastic. They will melt and burn. But alright, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I just thought this might make a nice little video in case you're looking for some more flashlights. If you're like me, it seems like you can never have too many of them. So, alright, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.